Once, there were two friends named Ravi and Pawan in a village. Both of them left home and moved to many cities to earn good money by doing business. One day, they found a box full of gold coins. They decided to return home and share the money equally. To avoid suspicion from the villagers, they buried the box under a tree at the edge of a village and went home. They thought that the villagers would be jealous if they saw them with a box full of gold coins, so they planned to retrieve it at night and share it equally. As time passed, Pawan's greed grew. He wanted to get the gold coin for himself. One night, Pawan went alone, dug up the box of gold coins, and hid it in his house. After a few days, Pawan went to see Ravi and suggested, "Friend, let's get the box of gold coin buried under the tree at the end of our village." Both friends went to the tree and dug up at the spot where they had buried the box earlier. But it was not there. Pawan turned to Ravi and accused him. "You scoundrel, are you so deceitful? What happened to the box if you didn't steal it? You took the box of gold coins in advance without my knowledge, and now are pretending to be innocent? No one else knew about it except you and me. Give me my share politely, or I'll complain to the king." Ravi, taken back, replied, "I don't know what happened to the box of gold coins. I'm telling you the truth. There is nothing I can do. Do as you like, but God knows the truth." Pawan, still determined to get the coins, went to the king and complained about Ravi. "King, we buried a box of gold coins under a tree. The tree is a witness. If you ask tomorrow, the tree will tell you the truth." The king, intrigued by the unusual claim, decided to investigate it next day. Pawan then went home and told his father, "Father, I stole the gold coins myself. If you do as I say, Ravi will be punished and the gold coins will be ours. We can live comfortably with them. The tree is tall enough to hide a man inside. You must sit in the tree secretly. When the king questions the tree tomorrow, you should say that Ravi stole the box of gold coins." The next morning, Pawan's father hid inside the trunk of a tree without anyone knowing. Later, the king, accompanied by elders and soldiers, arrived at the tree. The king called out, "O tree, tell me who took the box of gold coins hidden in your ground?" A voice from the tree said, "Ravi took the box of gold coins." Ravi, furious, exclaimed, "King, there is some deception here. A tree cannot bear witness. Examine this tree thoroughly and then give your verdict." The king ordered the soldiers to investigate the tree. They found a large hole at the top of the tree. The king commanded, "Put hay in that trunk and set it on fire." The soldiers did as the king ordered. Fearing for his life, Pawan's father came out of the tree, begging for forgiveness and revealing the truth. The king, angered by this, punished Pawan for stealing gold coins, lying, and falsely accusing Ravi. Ravi was free and Pawan was faced with consequences of his actions. Moral: if you plot to harm others, you may fall into your own trap. Attempting to cheat someone often leads to being cheated yourself.